Oh my, come on. There's Pirate Louie. There's Pirate Louie. And there's Mr. Max. And here's our doggy window. Just sits right under the window. And it has a glass piece. And it has a doggy door. There you go. Come on, Pirate Louie. Come on, Mr. Max. Hi, come on. Mama? Yeah? Come on, guys. Where are you?